Good morning everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm representing MyXLab from the National University of Malaysia. So in case you guys are wondering what MyXLab is, it stands for the Mixed Reality and Pervasive Lab. So what I'll be doing today is I'll be conducting a video, an unboxing video basically, of the latest technology from Microsoft, which is the HoloLens2, and it is currently sitting right inside of this box. So without further ado, let's get right into it.